grow your hair faster and longer. Number 1. Get frequent trims to regrow hair. It may seem counterintuitive, but if you want long hair that's actually natural and healthy, you need to get regular trims. While haircuts don't make your hair grow any faster, they get rid of split ends that break your hair, explains celebrity hairstylist Michael Duenas. Eliminating the breakage gives the appearance that your hair is growing faster. After all, a split end that breaks can lead to your hair losing length, not to mention shine, volume, and smoothness. Number 2. Resist the urge to dye your hair. Going from a darker shade to light blonde could stand between you and your longest possible hair. When the cuticle of the hair is damaged from bleach, you can have more breakage or split ends, explains Elizabeth Heiserot, senior colorist at Cutler Salon in New York City. The fewer chemical treatments, the better your hair will grow. Number 3. Distribute your hair's natural oils. Going to bed with unbrushed hair may seem tempting when you're tired, but giving your hair a few quick strokes can be great for its health. Starting at the scalp, use a boar bristle brush to distribute your scalp's oils evenly onto your hair so it stays naturally moisturized, recommends Mary Kate O'Connor, senior colorist and hair educator at Eva Scrivo Salon. Number 4. Eat the right foods. Having long, strong hair doesn't just depend on which products you put on your hair, it also depends on what you put into your body. To promote hair growth, you need to feed the hair from the inside, explains Dr. Francesca Fusco, an NYC-based dermatologist. Try increasing your protein intake with foods like fish, beans, nuts, and whole grains. If you're not a meat lover, you should still aim to maintain a diet high in protein. Dr. Fusco warns that women who don't get enough of it often experience more shedding. Nutritionist Jacqueline London adds that foods high in protein as well as vitamins A, C, and E, minerals like zinc and iron, and omega-3 fatty acids can contribute to healthier hair. Number 5. Avoid heat styling tools. Stop over-styling your hair, warns celebrity hairstylist Ken Paves. If you must use heat, Paves recommends decreasing the temperature and always using a heat protectant, otherwise, you risk damaging your hair, leading to breakage and frizz. Number 6. Skip the daily shampoo. Shampooing your hair 2 to 3 times a week allows your natural oils to penetrate your hair, allowing it to hydrate and repair itself, explains Paves. Number 7. Add a vitamin to your AM routine. If your diet isn't supplying you with enough nutrition, a supplement could make a world of difference.